today's video, I want to take you along for a full day detail. We're just getting into the winter season. We're seeing signs of salt already. We're going to be doing some heavy detailing, all kinds of great stuff happen at the spa. Stick around for a great episode. As you can see, there's not a lot to it with the fifth wheel detail. Basically what we're doing is just getting rid of a lot of the trim grease that goes over the sides. I believe it's definitely a necessary, well, a highly neglected part of maintenance and detailing a truck. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment. How important is it to keep that fifth wheel clean? What do you guys think? That's pretty much it on a fifth wheel degrease. We're gonna keep washing. We're gonna go from the bottom up. Next thing we're gonna do is that undercarriage wash with the salt neutralizer. We got the undercarriage salt neutralizer put on, the Eagle Guard. Check it out. You can tell that stuff is working. It's got mild detergents in it. It's mildly alkaline. I think it's got a pH of 10. But here's what I want to show you guys. Have a look. We're letting the foam soak underneath, but you can see how brown it's turning. It's pulling the grime, some of the grime that's down underneath it with it. So you don't necessarily need that degreaser to get some cleaning properties done as well. That salt neutralizer, Eagle Guard, is going to help clean things up along with eliminating all that salt underneath there as well too. All right, we got that heavy duty degreaser. We put it on in that foaming pump sprayer you saw. That's a half and half, 50-50 blend. We're just gonna hit it one more time with the foam cannon. That's gonna put it on at a 21 ratio, and that's gonna really help us hit inside the frame rails, some of those tougher spots that are hard to get. So let's throw this double dose of degreaser on. All right, let's let that soak. We'll blast it off. All right, we've done that back clip. Let it soak with a degreaser, that double dose of degreasing. Clean it up really well. We're gonna now hit that engine bay. We're gonna start a little differently. We're gonna do some detailing underneath the hood as well here too. I'm gonna start by blasting off a lot of that grime, especially in the wheel wells, get a lot of the heavy dirt off. Then we're gonna soak it with the degreaser and get in there with our brushes and scrub it down really good. Check this out. Okay, we got our trigger sprayer with the heavy duty. We're actually using a 50-50 blend, half and half. This is definitely strong enough for cleaning up. We're going to soak the rubbers and anything that's difficult to bit. Some of the hoses, right? The backside of these coolant hoses, the rubber trim on the rad support here. The soap goes a long ways. You guys definitely don't need to use it straight, concentrate. We're going to put it on half and half, let it soak for a bit, and then use the foam cannon to cover everything up and get everything really nice and soapy and foamy. That engine wash is done. We're getting ready to put that stars and stripes on and start working on the top. A couple spots here I want to show you guys. We're going to hit it with some degreaser first. Have a look at the back side of this unit, guys. If you look down here, here's our culprit. We've got a U-joint that's right outside the cross member, flinging up grease. It's a really, really bad spot. If I were these guys, I mean, something I knew when I was trucking, I'd build a hanger coming off this cross member, and then like a U-bolt, and then just a cover over that. That would cover the grease from splattering up, but we'll just have to keep cleaning it the way it is like this. So we're gonna hit it with that degreaser, let it soak. Hopefully it'll loosen off that grease really well before we hit that stars and stripes. Okay, wheels are down on this side. We're gonna just double check some spots like this. Give it a touch up. Hit it with a little bit of degreaser first. This chunk of orange peel came out of nowhere. I don't know where that showed up. That's the joys of filming in the winter, I guess. It fogs up so much, whatever, like that. Half the time you can't see anything. But whatever, you want to take that, Travis? Let's get started with that snake oil. Right till the end. Got enough for a full truck with one foam cannon, so stuff goes a long way too. We only cut it like at a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 ratio. It's not gonna soap up, it's not gonna foam up as well as some of the other stuff does, like the Eagle Guard or the stars on the two-step wash. It's the silicone dioxide that makes it hard. The silicone dioxide, SiO2, makes it hard to work with the foaming agents. It kind of combats and it makes it difficult to find a good balance of that foaming agent without overtaking the silicone dioxide. So if you don't get the greatest foam with your snake oil, don't worry about it. It's still doing a great job. And it smells great too. We'll get set up with that spot-free rinse. Got to make sure everything else is closed so we don't get cross-contamination from other water. Everything's closed except our cold. And we'll swing those valves, go through our system. Okay, spot-free ready. Let's give it that final rinse, dry it off in here, and then we can start polishing and detailing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it, wash is done. Okay, time to do the roof. Got one of these, try it out. New squeegee for the roof. I know you're gonna ceramic coat that, but we gotta start this drying process and get a little quicker, so here, use that. I think we're going to speed up this drying process a little bit. A lot of you guys see the drying option we've got on the price list. We use something like this. It's a premium microfiber drying towel from the rag company. We've got them in 2 different sizes. This is one of the bigger ones. And you know, without the squeegees on the roof like we just showed you with what Travis did, normally what we do is just grab one of these and do it this way. Dry, one pass. Works really, really good. It's that triple woven Korean microfiber they call it. There's a bunch of towels out there. We like these. I'm definitely gonna be trying more, seeing what works better, what lasts longer. But yeah, this is what we use for towel dries. Actual detailing towels. So I'm gonna do one more pass, show you what it does. Right, the trick is how you throw it. The trick is how you throw it. If you're in a situation where you don't want water spots, you got a few minutes, just throw this towel all over the truck. It's a really great way to get rid of the water spots. Just that quick. Hood's dry. Get yourself one of these microfiber towels from the rag company. Let us know if you guys want us to put them on the website. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think of these drying towels.